So now is the time for a hack. Can I tell you like how can you uh, come one step closer with the recruiter? Is everyone ready to see how can we basically come one step closer to the recruiter? So now please focus on this. This is very important. So what we do, we search jobs like this, right? AWS. Let's say if I'm looking for a job, I will search with the keyword called AWS, and jobs will basically pop in front of me, right? And when the jobs basically pop in front of me, over here, I can, start searching jobs in Canada. Am I right, everyone? Is this what we do? Correct, everyone? Is this what we do while we search for a job? Now, so this is a plain method of applying for a job. But you know what happens? Generally, some of the recruiters, they don't consider job posting the way of hiring. They don't want to hire people by posting the job. There is one more way. So what you can do with your skill, just type in capital letter and say hiring. Okay. So you have to type and type hiring, AWS and hiring, cybersecurity or security and hiring. Okay. IT auditing like GRC and hiring. So you can basically put such keywords and click on like enter. When you enter, now what will happen over here? You have to click on jobs and over here, click on posts. So when you click on the post, right, what will happen? You will find the profiles of those recruiters directly who are hiring in your same country wherever you are. Okay, you can basically, if you find some filters over here, you can select the country as well, in my opinion. Just a moment, let me see if we can see the country over here. We don't see the country over here, but you can see, like, you can see that there are many recruiters you can find. You can connect with them, you can follow them. So whenever they are posting, let's say, see this Java developer for AWS, you can still apply. If something matches, you can still apply for this job. So all these hiring recruiters, they're not just posting the job, but they do a regular posting also. And over here, you can basically see if it is 5 days old, and you can directly get in touch with the recruiter and can request, are you hiring for this job role? Can you consider me? This is the direct way of reaching out to recruiters directly who are posting jobs every day. And that will increase your reachability, or visibility, you can say, to the recruiters. So how many of you are going to do this? How many of you are going to do this? Let me ask this question from everyone. Let's say if I do this security and hiring, and over here I should be selecting my post. And over here you can see here like people like security manager, they're hiring for persistent systems, right? So you can, this is a keyword, what you have to place, and keep the and in capital. That's the query you do on your LinkedIn, and put hiring as a keyword. So whosoever is hiring, you will be able to search them directly. And that's how slowly and gradually you will create the network with all of them. Okay. So this is a hack I wanted to share with everyone. This has been very helpful for some of our students who have recently found the job. So I think you guys will follow this.
Thank you for watching. Switch from non-IT to IT today. Explore www.thinkcloudly.com.